In this video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Meta Business Manager account. In order to do this, you first need to head over to business.facebook.com and you should be able to see right here this part. With this, you can get access for Meta Business tools such as Business Suite, Business Manager, and Ads Manager. For this case, just proceed to log in with Facebook or you can also log in with Instagram. Once you have done that, you can also create a new account if you don't have access to any of this. You can also log in with a Manage Meta account if that option is available to you and you have it right here. On my case, let's log in with Facebook. Once we're in here, the next thing we need to do is to actually go over to this part. Click on All Tools, and then after that, click onto this search bar and search right here for Security Center. Should be able to show us that part as well. Alternatively, if you can find it right here, you can also head over to the gear icon or the settings right here in order to access it directly from there. So we have in your accounts as well as other options. Here's our security center right here. Once you have clicked on that, you can see right here the security. So you can scroll down and you can see in here the actual authentications and the likes. So under this case, you can just choose right here the campaign labels, add another admin, and then who's required to turn on this two-factor authentication. Now, the great news is when you add people, you will be asked to verify your account as well. So click onto this needs action. And then in here you can see this, click onto the verify account. And from in there you will be redirected and you should be able to see right here this window that will load. At the friend send right here an email. This will send a confirmation code that will be valid for 60 minutes and you just need to input right here the code and click on submit in order to verify your account. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you